Wondering where drone careers are heading in the next decade? I'm Adam with Drone Nerds, and today we're breaking down drone jobs through the next 10 years. As commercial and industrial drone fleets scale, there's growing demand for specialists who can keep these specialized machines running. Now, micro drones are uniquely suited for tight indoor or urban environments. As surveillance, inspection, and indoor navigation tech improves, micro drones are finding their niche. Fact.MR projects a growth of about 16.8%. Real estate, wedding films, tourism promos, and branded content continue to fuel the drone filming services market. Watching movies, you used to see amazing aerial shots with helicopters, but now directors are turning to drone pilots to get the same shots at a fraction of the price. It's also way quicker to set up, and drone pilots can get into spaces that manned pilots couldn't even imagine. This industry is expected to grow about 17.4% each year. This field covers AI-assisted inspections, autonomous mapping, and real-time data analytics, growing at a rate of about 17.7% each year. Inspections reduce the need for scaffolding, shutdowns, and dangerous climbs. Drones can reach areas where people simply can't go. This is why pilots in the energy, telecom, and infrastructure sector are so valuable. This sector is expected to grow about 18% each year. Construction sites now rely on drones from everything from progress reports to safety monitoring. As the global construction drone services market grows about 23.4% each year, drone surveying cuts hours off traditional fieldwork and produces highly accurate maps. According to Fact.MR, the drone land surveying market will grow about 24% each year. Agricultural drones are redefining precision farming. They allow targeted spraying, pest control, and crop monitoring at scale. That's with a growth rate of about 24.7% each year. Now, this one is particularly big, especially given the recent proposed regulatory changes by the FAA with Part 108. Now, as we all know, the drone delivery market is exploding. BVLOS operations, especially for medical and last-mile logistics, are transforming rural and urban deliveries. Growing at about 25% each year, this sector is expected to hit about $3 billion by 2033. From updating firmware to replacing motors, these specialists are becoming essential. A survey of about 500 drone fleet managers found that half cited maintenance downtime and a lack of trained technicians as being one of their key problems. This market is expected to grow about 27.5% each year. And speaking of repairs, Drone Nerds does service both commercial and enterprise drones, and we've repaired thousands of drones in the past 5 years. Now, one thing people are probably wondering is, will there be drone jobs with AI automating so much? An important thing to consider is that AI isn't perfect. From municipal chatbots telling people to break the law, to AI telling people to make recipes with rocks. Solely relying on AI is a recipe for disaster. Flying large drones with sharp spinning blades definitely isn't something to rely on, especially when you're flying around people. Trained drone pilots should always be monitoring operations. Well, whether you're looking to fly, code, or plan airspace, drone jobs are evolving fast. So which career path are you most excited about? Drop a comment and let me know. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more drone content every week. Thanks for watching.